Hey, Miguel, over at Ozone Air Conditioning. This is Fernando Garcia from the site Digital Marketing Agency sending you that video that I promised you. And I will be talking about three things today: content, citations, and backlinks. Those are three big things that Google uses to rank websites on the internet. Anyway, you see here your web page, and this is the content Google looks for. I mean, they look at images in terms of what you label the images in the background. There's meta tagging that goes with these images that they look at, but the images themselves they don't. So you have some content, but you could probably make that better by adding content, more text, so that you can put more keywords into your content and allow Google to search your site and find those keywords that you like people search the internet to find you for. Okay, so let me show you a typical Google search, and this is, let's say, a search for AC Repair Miami, which one of many, but it's one of the more popular ones. At the top here you'll see the ads section, and this is something you can do too. It's expensive, it doesn't work great because a lot of people don't like clicking ads, and because some web browsers block ads out. So it's not a very efficient way of marketing, but it's an option. The other thing that Google will put up is something called a map pack. And the map pack is basically local companies that offer the services that you're searching for. And people like this because they can click your website, directions. If it's on their phone, they can just basically call you directly from this map pack listing. And they usually list the top three people that have enough citations, and citations is the next thing I wanted to talk about, and that's what gets people on here. Citations are basically any place that you list your name, address, and phone number on the internet. So they're directories and things like Yelp and Yellow Pages and Facebook. Any place you put your name, address, phone number of the business, Google sees that as a positive thing and ranks you higher in this area. The more of those you can get, the better. And again, it's something that you can compete by copying whatever your competitors do, and then beating them at it will allow you to rank more highly in this MacPack section. And then you go further down here, you start to see the organic listings, and these are the listings that have more to do with something called backlinks. And backlinks are where pages, other places on the internet besides yours, put a link to your page so that its visitors can actually click the link, get back to your page. And Google sees that as a positive thing as well. It creates authority and trust because of that web page trusts its users to go to your website from theirs. You know, it gives you credibility and it gives your website power. So the more of those backlinks that you can get, the better. And actually what you should do is basically look at what your competitors are doing and copy, and then exceed their backlink number. So let me show you your page on a tool that we use, and this is called RS, and you can get that yourself. We pay for it, but you can certainly get it. It's something that we use to categorize and analyze websites on the internet. And this is your website. As you can see, these two numbers give you a rating. The higher the better. It's 0 to 100 of the number of backlinks and the trust of the backlinks and websites they come from. So these are the number of backlinks that you have. It's a little bit over 1,000. That's good. And the referring domains that these come from, 38 different domains, are sending a little bit over 1,000 backlinks to your site. And these are the keywords that you're listing or getting found for on Google, and it's sending about 10 people a month to your business from the website, or to your website rather. So let's look at one of your competitors really quickly, and this is just one of some of the competitors in the area that rank highly on Google's first page. And you can see that they have content on their website, and all of these that you open also count towards content on this page. They have a fair amount of content all the way down their website. So you can see what they're doing there. And then if you go to their RF categorization or analysis, and you can see their numbers are higher than yours. They have almost, well, more than double the backlinks you have, and certainly more than double the referring domains you have, which gives them a 8,000, almost 9,000 organic keywords that they rank on Google for, and that sends almost 5,000 people to their website from Google searches per month. So you can see how this would help them rank above you and send a fair amount of clients to you. So if you can do those things to your website, you would probably rank at least as high, if not higher than them, and capture those leads and clients to your business. Alrighty, well, hopefully that was helpful, and I hope you find utility in that, and it'll improve your website. If you need any questions answered or help, I'd be happy to help you. Again, my name is Fernando. I'm at the Site Digital Marketing Agency, and my number is 561-945-6779. There will be a link in the email I send you that you clicked so that you can open the video, and if you don't mind, I would appreciate it. Give me a little feedback either by phone or email on this video and what you liked or what you might want to get more information on and what I could do to improve the video. Alrighty, I thank you for your time. Have a great night.